Hi, I'm Dortha Hise, a certified integrative somatic practitioner and coach. If you've ever felt like stress, overwhelm, or tension are just taking up residence in your body, in your shoulders, your jaw, your belly, anywhere else, you're not imagining it. Our bodies really do store stress when our nervous system doesn't get a chance to complete their natural cycle. In this short session, we are going to explore what somatic practices means, why it's powerful for healing and regulation, and I'm going to guide you through a few simple ways to start releasing stress right now. You don't need any equipment, just a few minutes, your breath, and your willingness to listen to your body's wisdom. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. So, what are somatic practices? The word somatic comes from the Greek word soma, meaning the living body in its wholeness. And somatic practices are simply a way of connecting with your body's sensations, breath, and movement as a path to awareness and healing. We often try to think our way out of stress, right? And the body doesn't speak in thoughts, it speaks in sensations, in the tightening of the chest, or a shallow breath, or a clenched jaw. And somatic practices allow us to really listen. It teaches us to respond instead of to react, to move with the body instead of against it. When we experience stress, physical, emotional, or mental, the body's natural reaction is to activate, whether that's tightening muscles, shortening breath, or having energy spikes. Not that it's bad, it's just part of our biology. And the problem is that when activation, the problem is when that activation never completes. So we go from one thing to the next, carrying that tension from the last thing to the next thing to the next thing, and so on. And over time, the body starts holding it for us in our neck, our gut, our low back, and we wonder why we're tired or anxious or feeling the sensations of burnout. Somatic work helps us to complete those unfinished stress cycles, and it allows the body to discharge what it's been holding gently, safely, and naturally. So let's get into a practice together. Let's go ahead and take a moment to get comfortable wherever you are. Feel your feet on the ground or feel your seat beneath you. Let's just take a moment to arrive in this moment together. Inhale through your nose slowly and sigh it out through your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. In through the nose and exhale with sound. One more time. Inhale through the nose and exhale with sound. Notice how even a few breaths can shift your energy. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Scan from the crown of your head all the way down to your toes. Where do you notice tension, tightness, or holding? Maybe it's in your jaw, your shoulders, your belly. Wherever you find it, imagine that area softening, just 2%. Not forcing, not fixing, just allowing. If your body feels up for a movement, a little gentle stretch, or a roll, a small sway, let it. Follow what feels good. Let your breath lead the way. With each exhale, imagine releasing what's heavy or no longer needed. This is your body remembering safety, remembering how to let go. Now place one hand over your heart or on your belly, whichever feels most natural for you. Feel your breath under your hand. Notice that you don't have to do anything. Your body already knows how to breathe, how to regulate, how to return to calm. Take one final deep breath in and exhale with gratitude for your body's wisdom. That's the heart of somatic practice, creating space for the body to complete what it's been holding so peace can return naturally. These small moments, the breath, the softening, the pause, they're how we build nervous system resilience. You don't have to force healing. You just have to remember to listen. If this practice resonated with you and you'd like to go deeper into nervous system healing and somatic awareness, I have an additional resource here called the Nervous System Reset Toolkit. It's a short guide to help you regulate your energy, release stress, and reconnect with the calm. You can grab it at the link that's included where you access this link. And I am really grateful that you took the time for yourself today to be with me for this. And my hope is that you carry this calm with you into whatever comes next for you.